Summer's over, pumpkin season has arrived, and our slow cooker is back in commission. Today, we reinvent a classic in it with this delicious buffalo chicken mac and cheese recipe that's packed with protein. So let's jump right into it. P.S. Hit that thumbs up button if you like these quick meal prep recipes, and we'll keep the slow cooker out for a while. Start this one by adding into your slow cooker 12 ounces of plain Greek yogurt, 2 large egg whites, 1 to 2 cups of milk depending on the pasta you're using, 6 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 6 ounces of a low sodium buffalo sauce, 2 optional teaspoons of cornstarch to thicken it up, 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of onion salt, 14 ounces of your favorite mac and cheese pasta, 3 cups of shredded cheese. I use cheddar jack. Keep in mind that you can add whatever seasonings, herbs, spices, and so on you want to this. Mix all of those ingredients up good. If your mix looks too dry, add a little bit more milk in. Last, add in 1.5 pounds of a cooked protein. This could be tuna, ground beef, or turkey, or some rotisserie chicken like this. Mix that in until everything is incorporated, then throw your slow cooker on low heat for around 2 hours. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. I usually make 8 servings with this one. Now I think you all know what I'm gonna say next. It's time for testing your guesstimating. What do you all think this weighs in grams? The entire thing. 1 guess per person in the comments below, and I'll announce the winner in the next recipe. Oh, and bang, you get a shaker shirt for being the closest one to the last slow cooker recipe guesstimating. With that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs, including both US and metric conversions, scaling, and so on. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the road to 500,000. And of course, stay healthy.